Yeah, in this recording, I will show you how to update the employees for the roster, or kind of add people and remove people from the roster, especially when they leave and when they convert from, let's say, intern or FTC to FTE. So first of all, as usual, you should have admin access, and you should have this admin link, and then there should be some additional modules other than your normal account like attendance and workflow. And especially inside the workflow, the attendance module, you should have additional menus like this. And how attendance, or the roster employees control is using the roster employee menu. And this will show you all the employees of the organization, and the groups that they are in. So our group is here, product operations, and if you click here, you will see all the employees that are currently here. For example, I will show how to remove one of the employees who just converted from intern to FTE. So that is V2. As you can see, the intern employee number is 011238 is the earlier one, and the new one is 1530. So what I can do is actually click the one that is no longer required and click move, and then I can unassign from roster and put her to the general shift. So that will kind of make out of the normal the our shift, and then she will go on to the general group where everybody is. So whoever is not in shifts or anything or in a roster group will be in general. So since it will be continuous, I'll move her from March 1st. To make sure, I'll make it April 1st. So from April 1st onwards, she will be moved out from the 24/7 roster and will be, yes, actually, yeah, and in the general roster. So if you check the product operations now, we only have one Vitu Priyanka, which is the correct one, the latest one. And if you want to add someone, it's quite easy. If if you go to general and click general, you will see all the employees who are not allocated to a roster at the moment. So or else, let's say if you want to move someone else from another team, you can go here. And I'll take Sajit as an example. You click here, you click move, and then you select which roster that you are going to move this person into, product operations, and this is the one that we have. You can move to a specific time and continuously select the date that you want them to be moved, starting from whatever the date that you want, and click move, and that person will be permanently moved into the PTOps roster. And you can do the same when you are assigning, as I showed earlier. So you can kind of control which group the employee should be in using this menu item. Thank you.